So I'm in Green Park. Look at the weather. It's just amazing, isn't it? All these deck chairs out. No grass because it's all been eaten up by the people with their bottoms. Anyway, we're gonna go for a wander. Okay, so we've walked through Green Park and we are now by the, what is this, Buckingham Palace? Yes, Buckingham Palace. And we can't quite remember what time we were asked to come in and have tea, but we might not have enough time today. So, you know, we might have to come another time. You know how it is, busy, the sun's shining and we're out and about. So I'm just giving you a sneak peek of around here. So this is in front of the palace, and then you've got the Golden Gates. I don't know, it's called the Golden Gates, I don't know. And then you've got the palace behind me. And look at those gold statues again up there. Gold, solid gold. Alright, so I'm going to take you on another little stroll and you'll see snippets of the adventure. Okay, so we're here in front of the gates, and I'm not sure whether you can see behind me the guard. He's walking up and down. I guess he's probably just stretching his legs. I don't know what significance that is for the palace, but I guess it's just him stretching his legs. Anyway, so we're going to head out. We've been walking in the sun. There's loads of people around here. This is a real big tourist attraction. As you can see, all the people around me that are just here to stare at the palace. It's the summer opening of the palace, of the staterooms, so I don't know whether people are going to suddenly see some of the celebrities come here. Not the celebrities, you know, the family. Let's see what's going on in there. That lady's just... It doesn't matter, does it? Anyway, so at this gate where it's open for the traffic, not the traffic, you can see some of the armed... Can you? Yeah, you can see the armed policemen, those rifles there. You know what I mean? Anyway, we're just going to wander off and go back through. It's amazing, you know, a family with all of this. And anyway, yeah, so I'm going to go now and we'll be in another part of town soon.